Hi everyone. So today we're going to learn about breadcrumbs, not the one that you eat, the one that you use in Advanced CSS. So let me jump firstly onto Georgian. So I'm going to take that out and let's go to Blackboard and takes a while. So let's choose the first one, which is actually the course that I'm learning. So follow me here. We have different categories. So I click on this one, weekly learning, and then I want to do, let's say, Flexbox, which I really like. The way he taught that class was so cool. I'll show you. So it was with little frogs. You had to actually code and place the frogs in the different leaves. It was pretty cool. I really liked it. So why did I do that? So you see, like review submission history lab 2 flexbox, and then CSS week 2, and then here, and we can go back if you want. Exactly, weekly learning, blah, thing. So why did I do that? Because I think before coding we need to understand what we're doing, and I made a big mistake. I misunderstood cookies for breadcrumbs. Cookies actually leaves a track of what you did or where you went, so that's why in most websites you have accept the cookies, because people want to know what you did, where you went, and sometimes like this tracks your personal information as well when you have cookies. Opposite to breadcrumbs, which actually shows the different subcategories. So all of these are like links and are like folders or categories, and in these categories you have like other stuff. So you have weekly learning, weekly learning, you have week 2, and then you have subcategories which are reviews. You have other stuff as well, so I can pull out weekly learning, which is not functioning at the moment, but you got the idea of it. So now I'm going to jump on code. So this is beautiful, but how do you actually go from what you saw to like how do you actually code that? So what you saw are basically links. And sorry, I'm just going to jump back one more time. Let's go here. So this is the perfect example. So let's say I go to product and then I go, let's say, to more books from the author, which is not going to work for now because I don't have a link to it. But the point is, so I'll do that and then I'll get more books from this author. So it's like category 1, category 2, and then more books. So how do I go from that? So I jumped on my HTML and I created an ordered list, because at the end of the day what it is, it's a list. So I gave it a class of breadcrumb, and then I put home, order, about, order, and products. Actually it should have been more products, because that's what it is here, more products and resources. So I'm going to do that right now in resources. See, they already know. Okay, save that. And then home.html, about.html. So what that means, so as you know, the A and the href refers to links. So if my website was live and I would click on it, it would bring me to a link, because this is linked to a source. But because I don't have it, it's not going to be linked, but this is what it is. When it comes to active, so you see that when I click on it, it's bold. So when it's bold, it means that it's active. So that little active, it's just like as if I was on order and this is active. Okay, so very easy way to do breadcrumbs. If you want to customize your link, you can always do an inline style, but as you know, it is not recommended. It is like bad practice. So get your main CSS, style your links. This need to be OL, not UL. just before finishing, I wanted to share something real quick with you, and I think this might help you. So I pulled this from 26 CSS Breadcrumbs navigation, and it opened CodePen. So CodePen is a platform when you can actually code, and you will see it in real life. So as I was explaining earlier, and I choose an ordered list and they choose an unordered list, which is fine. At the end of it is just a list. href and first level interior, and you can see it here, first level interior, second level, third level. So they would do that, and then they would put the link here. If you want to customize it, you have the code here, you have the CSS here so that you can customize it. So let's see what they did. Okay, active, so see, last active. So this is how they put it, green, and it's green. Okay, and this is just a little bit of JavaScript just for the purpose of animation, but basically you got the idea of breadcrumbs. So you firstly go to the home, and then you go to the first page, and then the second page, and then so it's just basically, and you can go back, it's just basically opening like a folder, and then opening the file, and then opening like the actual file like this. See, these are breadcrumbs. So I have my folder. Oh my god, no. Let's go see. So I have my folder here, and then I have my weekly learning, and then I have my assignments. So these are exactly like this. We call it a horizontal nav breadcrumbs. So basically, breadcrumbs are really easy, and a very easy concept, and basically that's what it is. I just wanted like to explain to you how to do it correctly and give you a little bit more of context. So I coded it here, and I got you another example as well, and I hope that helped and that makes sense. Thank you.